Lesley Joseph, 77, is still as sprightly as when she first appeared on Birds of a Feather playing the iconic Dorian Green in 1989. But it's not just her youth and ageless looks that the actress has maintained from her BBC days, as the star revealed she is undeniably close with her former co-stars, Pauline Quirke, 63, and Linda Robson, 65. Despite the numerous reports of an undying feud between them, Birds of a Feather was a sensational BBC sitcom first appearing on screens from 1989 to 1998, with a revival decades later in 2014 on ITV. Now, over 3 decades since the trio first met, Lesley revealed that she, Pauline and Linda are still incredibly close. Speaking to Love Sunday, the 77-year-old gushed over her former co-stars, adding, "I really miss working with them." Despite the great friendship between all 3 actresses, Lesley highlighted that there's one big difference between Pauline and Linda. She explained, "Pauline is a brilliant serious actress, which is not to say that Linda isn't. I love my serious work, too, but I've gone down the musical comedy route for some time. Both Linda and I love to do things like Celebrity Coach Trip, which we did during lockdown and won. We went away to Portugal for 3 weeks. We did Supermarket Sweep, too. Linda and I, much more than Pauline, have always loved doing those camp, audience participation type things." Reflecting on her lengthy, celebrated career, Lesley chuckled that she can't believe some of the shows and activities she's ended up doing. Lesley's youthful good looks could fool onlookers, but the actress is over a decade older than her 2 friends, and when asked what the secret to their solid, timeless friendship, she admitted she had no clue why it actually works. Linda and Lesley in particular have forged an endless stream of adorable moments for fans, as the 65-year-old revealed she'd had food parcels delivered to Lesley during lockdown. "Don't miss John Bishop in pain like no other as he says beloved mum has died." Latest, Jeremy Paxman puts on brave face as he's pictured using cane at awards. Latest, Emmerdale double pregnancy as fans work out Mackenzie betrayal. Latest, at the mention of this memory, Lesley revealed she was hysterical during lockdown over the fear of COVID, implementing extreme measures to keep herself safe, and was very scared to go out. She explained, "Linda and lots of other friends would come round, with food. She always used to joke that she'd got me lots of things including 10 ladies, which was absolutely not true.